Just being able to fix things, repair stuff, and work with your hands and doing machine work and welding and all that kind of stuff. I've enjoyed it. My position right now is a mechanic building engines. Well, I started back in the late 70s at Empire for about a year in the parts department. And then from there I went to a machine shop, Northwest Motor Welding. We used to rebuild cylinder heads. I did that for 12 years there. And the foreman at that shop opened up his own shop. So 5 of us guys that worked there went with him. And then from there, I decided to go out, try something else. Went to different machine shops. Did a lot of different things, learned a lot. Then I went to Cummins, worked there for 3 years, and then they sold. That's when I came here to Road Machinery because there was no more machine shops left. And here's where I ended up, Core Machinery. But it's changed a lot. The machines and everything's changing. The older machines I used to run were manual machines. Now they're CNC machines. So everything's on the screen, computer, and that's one of the ways things have changed. I've always wanted to build engines, so we got short of help, and I went over to the engine side, and I was able to build an engine. That was my final goal here before I left, to have that in my background saying that I built a diesel engine, Komatsu 12V140, because I've always did the machine work side of it, and I never did get to put a complete engine together. So I wanted to be able to do that. I was able to do that here. That's nice to know that you accomplished that, I made some tooling here. I made an installer that you just turn the center nut and it fits over the crank and everything lines up and it pushes it right to the right depth and all that stuff. And there's always ways to make things easier. That's what you look for all the time. I've been in this business forever, and I see people struggling with things one way, or you come up with another solution and, hey, look, this is a lot easier. Well, I'm glad I'm going to retire. Enjoy life a little bit. Take a good relaxing vacation. Go out camping, fishing, and not worry about getting up early and coming to work and all that kind of stuff. Been married 48 years. Yeah, we got married. I was 19, she was 18. What's funny, there's not even 2 blocks away from here, Phoenix Linen Supply. The building is still there. It's a historical building, but that's where I met my wife, because she was working there part-time, going to high school, and so was I. So we would both come to work part-time, and that's where I met her. And then I end up 2 blocks away from that place here, 48 years later, not too far away from where I met her. We got 2 sons, 4 granddaughters, 1 grandson, and 3 great-grandsons, and 1 great-granddaughter. I was always active. I did a lot of running. I did from high school. I ran cross country, and I kept running from there for 40 years. I ran marathons, 10Ks. It was just a lot of fun. Times change, the future changes. There's a young kid that's working here with me now, and he's eager to learn. He doesn't want me to leave. He says, who am I going to ask how to do this, how to do that? I said, well, you can call me up. I'll let you know. I told my wife the other day, joking around, and she didn't get it. I said, I only need 10 more sandwiches. She looked at me like, what do you mean, 10 more? Well, finally she said, you mean I don't have to make lunch for you anymore? After 50 years? She thought that was funny.